Parents, students, and school staffers are probably talking about this tonight. An Humble ISD police officer facing charges accused of having thousands of images of child pornography. It was the Harris County Precinct 4 Constable's office that started the investigation after Clark interviewed for a job with them. They say there were some serious red flags raised during their interview process. Kathy Hernandez is live downtown. Kathy, where is Clark right now?
Well, good evening, Jeffrey. Clark is out on bond tonight. Humble ISD tells us he patrolled at night, so he wasn't around children often. Still, community members say they're upset, saying this should have been caught earlier.
It's unimaginable. I don't have the words for it, really. It appalls me.
That's the word among families in Humble. Humble ISD police officer Jeffrey Clark allegedly owned thousands of sexually explicit pictures of children.
It's kind of alarming to think that your kids are going to a school that somebody who's supposed to be protecting them and making sure they're safe is looking at explicit images.
Investigators say it first came to light when the 48-year-old applied to be a deputy constable with Precinct 4. They say he made alarming statements.
And not only in the interview, but in the polygraph examination and different other aspects of our background checks.
Investigators say he even admitted to looking at such photos, and then they found some on 3 electronic devices inside his Humble home. We visited that neighborhood Friday morning. Clark wasn't home, but we talked to one of his neighbors.
Unreal that a police officer would be in that kind of trouble. It's really, really surprising.
Humble ISD tells us Clark worked their night shift and added, quote, nighttime patrol officers do not interact with students on a regular basis. He was hired in July 2015, and on August 2nd, 2017, he was placed on administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigation. Clark also previously worked at the Kendall County Sheriff's Office north of San Antonio.
Makes you really wonder how they're hiring these police officers if it's just now coming out.
And Constable Herman also says they're working with federal investigators on the case. Reporting live in downtown Houston, Kathy Hernandez, KPRC, Channel 2 News.